the moment we have a right relationship with God. We're all sinners. Any one of you are here without sin? Please do not put out your hand. After the thunder comes. Okay, right? We're all sinners. We're all sinners. But it calls for us to have a right relationship with God, trusting and obeying Him. Sometimes I say, trusting and obeying seems easy. Is it easy, Edward? Not easy at all, right? Because the world is throwing things to tempt us. How is our mind renewed? To the pattern of the world or to the Word of God? Like it or not, we are all tuned into the pattern of the world because we are living in the world. Right? But when you tune to the pattern of the Bible, people say you are super holy. So you have the choice to trust in God or to listen to people. I prefer to listen to God. It doesn't matter what people say. So passion for God grows when we live in obedience to His word. David's commitment to walking in righteousness kept his relationship with God strong and vibrant. We must be obedient